My two favorite salsas are red and green. Salsa roja, salsa verde. Personally, I can never pick one over the other. Both of these delicious salsas feature a few similar ingredients like onions, garlic, and of course some salt. The main difference comes from using tomatoes or tomatillos. Both of these salsas are delicious, and both are coming up hot and fast on the Blackstone Griddle. Vámonos! First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna get 4 Roma tomatoes, get them on the griddle here. For the red salsa, we're also gonna do 5 chile de árbol, 2 fresh serrano peppers, 1 garlic. We're gonna be cooking up 5 tomatillos for the salsa verde. In the salsa verde, it is traditional to have a little bit of chile de árbol and another garlic clove and 2 jalapeños. Make sure you take the stem off. It's easier to do it when they're green. We're gonna let these cook for a little bit, then we're gonna go to the blender. In addition to that, we're gonna add a little bit of onion to both salsas. Doesn't take a lot. I just want a little bit of that onion in there. I like onion, but I don't want it to overpower the salsa. Same story goes for the red salsa. Let's see how our tomatoes are doing. Coming along good. We gotta flip them around a little bit. Chile de árbol cooks really fast. See how that got brown really quick? I'm gonna put a little bit of pressure on them, just a little bit here. They're done. So I'm gonna take these out, set them aside over here. These are probably done as well. These Blackstone Griddles, man, they can get hot. I'm gonna turn the heat down just a little bit. All right, let's keep them rolling, keep them moving. Let's flip these over. They're almost done. They're getting a nice little char. We're not gonna cook them all the way. We're not trying to get them totally cooked. We just wanna get them hot. These tomatoes do not wanna stand up and dance for us today. Settle down, settle down. You're good, you're good, you're good. Serranos are almost ready to go to the blender. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. And these tomatillos are looking good. I'm gonna flip them over. You'll see them shortly start to turn a little opaque in color. I'd say these onions are done. We're gonna put them over here. These are for the red salsa. The one thing to keep in mind, friends, that there's no exact way to make a red or a green salsa. Everybody kind of has their own little tweak. This is a very basic, very simple one. From here, you can doctor and add a little bit more. You can add whatever else you want. All right, I'm gonna move my tomatillos over here to the side. Let them finish cooking a little bit more along with the jalapeños. Now I have this burner at the very end off, so these will still finish cooking. There's enough heat there to kind of very slowly finish cooking them. I'm gonna put all these ingredients in my blender here. A little bit of onion, 2 serrano peppers, 5 árbol peppers, and 4 Roma tomatoes. Make sure you don't forget a pinch of salt. We're gonna put a little bit of water here in the blender, almost a 1/4 cup. If you wait a little, let it settle, hit it, that way it bounces up and down and it catches everything in the blender and it will blend them a lot quicker and a lot easier. Ooh yeah, baby, look at that, beautiful. Ah man, that's one of my favorite salsas ever right there. I'm not gonna taste it yet until we have our salsa verde done also. We're gonna take our tomatillos first and get our 2 jalapeños, onions, 3 chile de árbol, and a little bit of cilantro. I'm just gonna tear off this whole head right here, drop it in the blender. About a teaspoon of salt. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking really good. Man, that smells so good. Here we go. Super good looking salsas, both of them. So now it's time to give them a taste test. See which one I like the best. A lot of times, I can't decide which one I want, so I'll wind up eating both on my tacos. Red is probably the one we use the most, so I'll go for a taste test on the red one first. Oh yeah, I love that little cooked tomato flavor. You add that chile de árbol for a little bit of heat. The serranos had a little heat. You got a little garlic, so you got that little garlic kicking in, and then just the right amount of salt really brings it all together and gives it an amazing flavor. There are some places in the world where the green salsa is much more popular. Turned out a little bit thicker than the red one, but look at that beautiful color. It's just really, really nice. I love the specks of that chile de árbol there. Man, that's so good. Tomatillo brings a really good tartness to the salsa, and then the árbol brings the heat, and then you can taste the cooked jalapeño as well. Just really a delicious, all-around, great salsa that would go good on anything. Pick the one you like, and if you can't decide, put both of them on it. It's okay with me. Keep the smoke light and make it work. Boom! Boom! Vámonos! Let's go!